I'm Mark.
I'm Phil.
And I'm Paul.
And we're the Pitfire Boys. And when we're not at Bunnings, we're in a haze of blue smoke cooking up a storm.
And we're going to show you everything you need to start smoking.
The Komado style barbecue is becoming more popular because of their fuel efficiency, and I'm here to show you how to use it.
So let's open her up. Use this handy little tool to lift the grill plate off. Because the Komado is so fuel efficient, you're probably only going to need half a chimney of fuel. Grab your spondonical and reposition the cooking grill. Let your grill come up to temperature and then you're ready to cook. The Komado has 2 air vents. Your top vent acts like a chimney, so it's going to be mostly fully open. To raise or lower the temperature, you adjust the air vent at the bottom.
That's all there is to it. So let's get some barbecue on.